Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to easily get Netmirror in your iPhone. So make sure to follow this step-by-step process, and at the end of the video you will be able to get it in your iPhone. So the first step is just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and once you're into the settings just scroll down a little bit, and once you scroll down you will be seeing this option called, like, just scroll down a little bit and screen time. Just make sure to find this app called Screen Time, and once you find the application called Screen Time, just open the Screen Time, and once you open the Screen Time just scroll a little bit, and at the end you will be seeing this option called content and privacy restrictions. And if you're not able to find it, just make sure to scroll down a little bit, and at the end of the screen you can, like, this is the last option in restrictions, so make sure to find this option called restrictions. And once you open the restrictions you will be seeing this kind of interface, and from here just make sure to turn it off. Like this, what basically this does is this basically allow us to install any kind of applications from the Google. So make sure to turn it off, and once you turn it off just go to the website of Netmirror, and from that website just click on Netmirror for iOS. Just make sure to download the app, and once you download the application you can just install it into your iPhone.